You've already purchased the tool, but where is the battery? Is it separate? And the charger? Is that also sold separately? You're already piecing together 3 separate orders and overpaying for every single item, but there's an easier way. There's a section on the Könner Söhnen website that not many people know about. It's the battery kits. These are ready-to-use sets: a tool, a battery, and a charger. Everything is in one box for a single price. That's a better deal than buying them separately. Simply unpack the box and you can get straight to work. There's nothing extra to pick out or pay for, and some kits even come with a free extra battery. Believe me, that's no joke. All our kits are part of one universal battery system. A single battery powers more than 50 different tools. Purchase a lawnmower today and that very same battery will work with your trimmer or saw tomorrow. You are never restricted to just one single device. Our collection also features everything you need for the garden: lawn and hedge care sets, cordless mowers, various garden power tools, and, of course, starter kits if you are just getting started. Different tasks, different budgets, but ready-made solutions. Promotional prices won't last forever, so we've included a link in the description. Go check it out, compare, and if you find something interesting, be sure to let us know in the comments what you chose. We'd love to read them. This has been Alexander and Könner Söhnen. Subscribe to our social media, join our YouTube channel, and